show you my new orchids that I got in the mail today. I did make an unboxing video, however, a big gust of wind came in and blew all the paper everywhere, and then another disaster. One of the plants fell out of the pot and it was just a disaster, so I probably won't upload that video, but I will show you my plants. I ordered them a couple of weeks ago from a nursery down in Adelaide called Lyttle Orchid Clones, I think it's called, and I've ordered from him before, and he has really nice Oncidiums. I found the root systems to be really good, nice healthy plants, always come with really nice pseudobulbs, so I like ordering from this person and I just get them online. The first one is a Colmanara Catatante Pacific Sunburst, and I've wanted this plant for a little while now. It's got lovely orange flowers, and if I'm a bit new to YouTube videos, actually I'm really new, but when I figure it out how, I will try and put a photo of the plant, of the flower, somewhere on the screen for you, if I figure it out. If I don't, I'm really sorry. You'll just have to Google it yourself. But I'm sure there's a YouTube video on how to make YouTube videos, so I'll figure it out. But this plant basically unpotted itself, so I got a really good glimpse of the root system, and it's got like a few green growing root tips and stuff, so it should be fine. Handle repotting pretty well, I think. I didn't want to repot these orchids, but I think I'm going to have to because they're all quite wobbly and nearly out of the pot themselves. So this has two nice mature pseudobulbs down, this one here and this one here, and it's got 3 new growths actually. So it's got, this one's, I think it's got 2 growths, so it's got this one here, and they're all fairly advanced actually, so it does look like a flowering size plant, and hopefully I'll get flowers from it. This pseudobulb is actually plumping up already, so hopefully it's going to be mature in the next few weeks. You can see all the peat moss that came out when I accidentally tipped the pot. Yes, it's got a beautiful root system in there, so very excited about that one. This is Oncidium Heaven Sent Redolence, and it's a young plant. See, it's got 2 pseudobulbs here. Again, looks nice and plump. It's got a new growth coming up there. Looks like it's near flowering size. I don't know if it's flowering size just yet, but this this plant, I believe, is a descendant. Descendant, is that the right word? One of its parents is the Oncidium Cheri baby. So it has, obviously by the name, a nice fragrance as well. And the pictures that I saw of this flower on the internet were a lot cuter than my Cheri baby, so I'm looking forward to that one. This is Miltassia Estrelita Sweet senorita, and she must be near flowering size as well. This is the biggest pseudobulb here. It's got 3 or 4 little ones, and it's putting out this new growth here, so with any luck that'll be bigger than the last and hopefully flowering size, but we'll see. If nothing else, these Oncidiums do grow fairly well in my climate, and then hopefully it'll mature soon. They all look like they're doing pretty well. I ordered one Paphiopedilum and got one as a little bonus. But this is Paphiopedilum Memoria Joan Levy. And I'll put this back here because I don't want to confuse it with the other one. They look pretty much exactly the same, but it's got 3 leaves, just a young seedling. It's I've only got little hands, but it's about, I'd say about a 20 centimeter leaf span, just small maybe. It's pretty loose in the pot, so both of these paphs also had quite a lot of bark that had come out. So this one as well, definitely I'll need to repot that, I think. This is Paphiopedilum, which he included for me. So it also just has the 3 leaves. It's got a slightly larger leaf span. I have to say I don't know much about the Paphiopedilum, so I'm going to have to look it up. But I love paphs. I finally got one to flower this year and I'm very happy about it. So yes. And last but not least, the piece de resistance, because I totally forgot about it. But this plant here. This is SLC Hsin Boo Lady Red Beauty. Now, I actually had ordered, I think it was a Brassivola cross, which he didn't have available, so he offered, and the one that I ordered was near flowering size. He offered me a flowering size one as a replacement. And not only is this one flowering size, but look. It is in bud, 3 flowers, and they're pretty good size. The real shame is that in transport, half the bark came out of this one too, so I loathe to repot it, but I have to. I'm going to give these guys a really good drink now, and then if the sun's still shining, I'm going to have to repot them. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. So the little Cattleya opened up her first flower the day after I filmed this. Isn't she pretty? Thanks for watching, guys.